I'm going to do in this video is we're going to look at Figma. Figma is a design tool specifically made for designing websites and mobile applications. You'll get an interface a bit like Photoshop, but it's kind of geared specifically towards web development and web design. Okay, so it's more appropriate for what we need to do. You can have a look at the details on the website. I'm just going to log in. I'm going to use my Gmail for the time being, so I've got a Gmail account. In I go. If you haven't already done that, then you can actually create a new account using your Gmail account. Next thing I'm going to do is create a new project. So you probably have a blank dashboard here. A couple of places I can probably create a new project, a new file there, or a new file there. Let's just do one there. And then here what I'm going to do is create it, let's say CA1 landing page. Okay, if I could spell landing, that would be great. So when we've got our landing page and our project named, we want to basically create a wireframe or a kind of backdrop, the starting point. They're called frames up here. Okay, so you've got other tools in here, move and scale. There's not a huge amount. There's a few shapes up there. You can do a draw and add some text, and that's about it. So all I really want to do is a new frame, and you'll see here there's a few options over here on the right hand side. I can create a phone design, tablet design, desktop design, like an Apple Watch design, paper, social media, etc., etc. I'm just going to do a desktop design. Now, what we'll do just fine for this particular project is going to be like this, like MacBook, for example, or something around 1200 pixels. So here you can see we've got 1152, which is grand. Now, we can always increase the height of it. You don't have to just squeeze your design on that 700 height. But I think the width being 1152 is just absolutely fine for what we need. It will just fit on most desktop screens, and that's all we're going to be concerned with for the time being. Okay, I'm going to name this layer as like base layer or something like that. You can call it whatever you like, and then we're good to go. So base layer is done. Project is named. It's cloud-based, so you don't have to save anything. It's just automatically saved in the cloud, and then whenever you log back into Figma, you'll come straight back to this point the next time you log in. Okay.